What's going on, everybody? Welcome to CS5 Gaming. Now, I've been super busy making a bunch of masks. You can kind of see in the background there, I got some masks laid out, and I got a whole bunch that I've made, and I want to kind of show you guys what I've been working on. All right, first mask I'm going to show you is the retro Jason mask. Now, I've made a few of these in the past. This one's a little different. I went with a 3/4 inch strap instead of the 1 inch strap. It seems to be a lot better. It fits better. It looks better. And overall, it's just a better mask. So that one actually turned out really well. Next mask I'm going to show you here is my Savini Mask. Now, I've made about 7 Savini masks, so this is, nothing too special, but I love making this mask. I'm going to continue to make this mask as long as I can. The joyous thing is when you get masks and they come in black, well, it's perfect. All you got to do is just kind of scratch it up a little bit, do your business, and then put some clear coat on it, and it works out really, really well. So I do like the Savini. I've always liked the Savini, and I'm going to make the Savini as long as I can. Okay, next mask here was actually inspired by a buddy of mine. A YouTube buddy, Journal03. I'm going to leave a link in the description to his channel below. Please check him out. He's a huge Friday the 13th nerd like myself. He likes the games, he likes the movies, and he likes making masks. So he actually made a Never Hike Alone mask. Now, Never Hike Alone is a fan-made type of movie. It's a fan-funded movie that some individuals made, and it's a really great movie. I'm going to leave a link to that in the description below. Watch that movie. It's super awesome. And Jason in there is super creepy. So this is the mask from there. Now, Journal03, he had made a mask. He actually etched all this out and then painted it afterwards. I just got a black mask, painted the mask, and then scratched it off. And I think it turned out pretty good. It's really cool. I like it. I love this mask. All right, next mask here is my Part 5, good old Roy. This is the Part 5 mask. I went ahead and I dirtied it up a little bit. You can see right there, this is more or less after when Reggie's smacking around Roy in the tractor and the mask gets all kind of scratched up and dirty. I went with that one. Now, the funny thing about these chevrons here is I was actually using this is masking tape. I was actually using the masking tape to mark it off because I was going to paint it. And I realized that the masking tape is actually pretty close to the same color as the chevron. So I decided to keep the masking tape on there, kind of scratched it a little bit, dirtied it a little bit, and then put some clear coat, and it sticks really, really well. So Part 5 mask is actually one of my favorite masks, even though the movie obviously is not Jason in it. It's not my favorite movie, but the mask is super cool. I really like the way the mask is. All right, another mask here. We got the Part 7. This is pretty movie accurate with the damage here. I'm going to make another Part 7 mask, and I'm going to have it without this damage. Obviously this is going to be here, but like the scratches. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of this. I'm not a big fan of it. I think it looks kind of silly, even though it's in the movie. I like my Part 7 mask without this. So I'm going to make another Part 7 mask without the scratches, but I think this one turned out really, really well. It fits good. The interior is painted. The strap's nice. It fits good on there. So, okay, the last mask here is, some of you may have already seen this one. This is my Jason gas mask. This was inspired by Fallout 4, obviously. This one's super cool. I really, really like this one a lot. It's hard to see the details here, but it actually looks like tanned leather skin. It's super creepy. This did take 2 masks to make. I have a tutorial video on how to make this particular mask. I'll leave a link in the description below. Check that out if you want to, but you can probably do away with the 2 masks and just do it with 1 mask. If you guys do make one of these, let me know. I'd like to check that out. It's probably going to look better than mine anyway. So, okay, a little recap here. We got the Part 5. We got the Never Hike Alone. We got the Part 7. We got the Fallout 4 gas mask. We got the retro. And we got the Savini. So, yes, super awesome. So, I got a whole bunch of more masks I'm going to be working on. I got a Part 8. I got some Mortal Kombat looking type of masks I'm coming. I am going to be doing, I believe I'm going to be doing a Terminator mask. I'm just trying to figure out how that works. But all these masks, except this one right here, are for sale. So I'll leave a link to my Etsy page in the description below. You go check it out. And if you want to purchase one of these masks, they're going to be there. Now, it probably won't be on there tonight. It might be a few days. I still got to get some photos. I got to do a little bit of touch-up work on a couple of these, and then they're going to be on there. So yes, if you guys did enjoy this video, let me know down below. If there's a particular mask you want me to make, again, let me know down below. So, okay, this is CS5 Gaming signing out, and I hope to see you in the next video.